Find or read reviews that people are talking about Ofika 43-inch electric fireplace with mantel. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Modern and elegant design. Our electric fireplace with mantel featuring a contemporary classic aesthetic paired with premium solid wood construction. This piece creates a minimalist yet sophisticated focal point for your living room. Storage space for flexible organization. This TV stand with fireplace features spacious compartments and adjustable shelves. Customize the layout to accommodate varying storage needs, keeping your living room neat and organized. Electric fireplace heater. Features a built-in, replaceable 23-inch electric fireplace heater that heats up instantly, providing cozy, enveloping warmth for your living room. Effortlessly enjoy a warm and inviting atmosphere. Vibrant LED ambient lighting. Features 15 built-in adjustable LED light colors, from warm yellow to dazzling hues, switchable with a single touch. Whether hosting gatherings or enjoying quiet moments alone, it creates the perfect mood and visual experience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.